This is a guide to speedrunning good thumbnails. Open Photopea.com, click New Project 1920 by 1080, and then Create. Paste in a picture of your subject and then resize it as necessary. Press T on your keyboard and click and start typing what you want your text to say. Change the size to whatever you want and move it around. Drag it to the bottom layer and then delete the background. Then paste in a picture of your background and make it fill up the entire screen. Hit Ctrl U, change the saturation and lightness to what you want, click OK, and then bring it to the bottom layer. Double click on the text and change the color to whatever you want. Double click on the text, select drop shadow, change the distance down and change the blend mode to normal. Hit outer glow and change the color to white and the blend mode to normal. Change the size up. Click stroke, change it to white, and then add a gradient overlay. Change the gradient overlay to whatever colors you want. Now close out of that and double click on your subject on the side, enable stroke, outer glow, and drop shadow, but change the outer glow color to what you want. Click on the background layer and at the top hit filter and then gash on blur. Change it down a little bit. You can resize your subject and now you are finished. Might take longer than a minute if you want to make it better, but this is basically a guide to speedrunning thumbnails. Make sure to subscribe so I can reach 9 subscribers.